Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by launching Freeform and preparing your workspace. Make sure macOS is up to date so features behave predictably. Next, create a new board. Click the plus icon, pick blank or a template, and set orientation. Once done, enable input methods, trackpad gestures, Apple Pencil, or an external keyboard, because each changes how you draw, select, and type. Make sure to position the board and zoom level to a comfortable view, and begin by sketching a single shape to confirm tools respond. You now focus on building content. Pick the pen or brush and set stroke width, opacity, and color to match your intent. Then insert elements, add text boxes for labels, drag images from Finder, and place shapes as anchors. Group related items so you can move them together. Once arranged, use the lasso or selection tool to nudge items, align edges, and create connections with arrows or links. Make sure to name layers or groups to keep the board navigable as it grows. You wrap up by reviewing the entire board. Zoom out to check flow, then use presentation mode for a quick run-through before exporting as PNG or PDF for sharing. Once done, save and back up to iCloud and export a separate copy so you preserve a version history. If something goes wrong, like stroke lag, missing objects, or misalignment, try resetting tool settings, toggling iCloud sync, or quitting and reopening Freeform. These steps often restore normal responsiveness.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.